Alright, here is my 1950 Chevrolet cab over engine truck. It is a 5400 series. Right there. And then there's a 67 Beetle on the back, and it is the fairly short flatbed on this thing and short wheelbase. And I picked this up a number of years ago. It does have did have a stuck engine, so I had some time. I got some transmission fluid and acetone, got that down the cylinders, and worked over the years, and using this special breaker bar that I made, bolted that to the flywheel, and I did get it loose. Tried to start it, wasn't popping, and checked compression, and there's a few cylinders that had zero compression, so we started taking it, tearing it down. So it's maybe hard to see here. We'll pull the valve cover off. I have that loose already. And I've already torn some of this down, but you see here there's a couple push rods that bent because the valves are stuck. So I'm going to pull the head off, see what's going on there, and that'll give me a good opportunity to check the cylinders as well. I'm not going to do a full engine rebuild at this point, I don't think. Main intent here is I want to get the engine so it yard drives. Being able to drive it out of the back here would make it a lot easier to access some of the other vehicle projects that I have, like this 50 panel truck, 53 Pontiac, the 51 Chevrolet Coupe underneath that cover, runs and drives, and also 77 Chevy 4x4 square body Chevy. So all good stuff anyway. So I'm going to be working on getting this head the rest of the way off, and we'll let you guys know what happens. So anyway, hopefully you like my 1950 cab over truck. I sure do, and we'll give you guys an update later.